So the Mueller team gets an indictment against Roger Stone, who is represented by an attorney. But instead of notifying the attorney and requesting he bring his client in for arraignment, standard protocol in cases like Stone's, the Mueller team decides instead on Gestapo tactics. While still dark and well before dawn, 29 armed FBI agents and a SWAT team donning large shoulder weapons, body armor, fatigues, and tactical vests arrive at Stone's home. 17 vehicles, including armored trucks, lights flashing, a bullhorn. They begin banging on Stone's home, yelling, "FBI, open the door." The only people home were Stone, his wife, and their dogs. And lo and behold, CNN is there, cameras in tow, waiting with the FBI an hour for it all to start. Now, why would they be there? Especially when the FBI considers this dangerous enough to have SWAT teams and guns drawn.
Why were you there in position?
Allison, it's reporter's instinct. The whole Russia team thought maybe something was happening. There was some unusual grand jury activity in Washington, D.C. yesterday.
Unusual grand jury activity? Hey, grand juries meet in secret. What do you know about the activity of the grand jury? What do you know about when they meet or if their schedules change? Does all unusual grand jury activity suggest indictments are being handed up? Admit it. You got a call from them. You're not kidding anybody. And it's a crime for whomever alerted you to alert you. Although I suspect Mueller won't give it to him. Now, a lot of people have commented on Mueller's request for an early morning takedown. Let me be clear, I'm not one of those commentators. I did this for a living. For 30 years, my police squad worked with the FBI, DEA, state police, and local law enforcement when we needed help in arresting or seizing evidence in a potentially dangerous situation where the individual was dangerous or a flight risk. What the Mueller team did here was not only laughable, it was embarrassing to everyone in law enforcement. Waking a couple up pre-dawn is chaotic enough, but when the wife is deaf, a directive to her by someone with a gun drawn when she cannot hear the directive is a catastrophe waiting to happen. This show was put on to embarrass and intimidate Stone. He wasn't a flight risk, and he had no guns. His passport was expired or just about to expire. Mueller's intent was to poison the jury pool, to make Stone seem like public enemy number one. And his indictment is not even for a violent crime. It has nothing to do with Russia or collusion. It's a process crime. You keep asking the same questions over and over and over, hoping there'll be a mistake. And when there is, you indict. The president is right. Stone lying to Congress? Jim Comey lied to Congress. John Brennan lied to Congress. Clapper. And dear Hillary, that woman lied every time she opened her mouth. Need I go on? Roger Stone is charged with crimes after the fact that involve procedure. The only reason Uma Abedin, Cheryl Mills, Brian Pagliano, and the whole gang surrounding and protecting Hillary are not charged with process crimes is because Jim Comey, who himself should be indicted, never bothered to investigate. God help America. And that's my second open. Tell me what you think about it on Twitter and Facebook, hashtag Judge Jeanine.
I thank you. God bless you, and may he continue to bless the nation that has showered this land with love for more than 2 centuries. Thank you all. God bless you all.